So I'm in my bathroom faucet and it's leaking right here. So instead of changing the whole thing, I think I can just change this front valve knob. So I got this one, and I'm gonna just take this, unscrew the front valve and just put it in. So this one I'm just gonna remove the front and put in. Make sure your main water is off. And then just drain the water, otherwise both hot and cold. Still some water left. Let's So this is the leaky one. I'm gonna put this one and hopefully it will work. Okay, that's it. That fixed the leak. So instead of changing the whole thing, I just take out this front valve knob, and instead of changing the whole thing, I just change it, and that fixed my leak. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the like button. Thank you.